Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows Fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooter. Click Run under Network Adapter. Select Wi-Fi, click Next. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Disable Device. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Enable Device. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.